In this example, we find the determinant of a 4x4 matrix using the LaPlace method. Now, we have all sorts of options where to expand, but it makes the most sense to either expand along the first column, the fourth column, or the fourth row, because we see a lot of zeros. And those zeros are going to give us a lot easier calculation. So let's expand on the first column. So just to recap, the determinant of a matrix A is the sum of -1 to the I plus j times aij times the determinant of mij, where this sum either goes down a column or across a row. We're going to go down the first column. So that sum is going to go I equals 1 to 4. And in this case, j is going to be row 1, column 1. So my j is going to be 1. There we go. So start with our 0. We get -1 squared times 0 times some determinant, which we'll not worry about, plus -1. So we're on row 2, column 1. So my I is going to be 2 plus 1. Here is 3 times 5 times the determinant of the matrix we get from removing row 2, column 1. So 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 0. Plus -1 to the power of 4, because we're on row 3, column 1, times 1 times the determinant. We're on row 3, column 1, so we're going to remove this column and this row. So we get 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 0, and 2, 3, 0. Plus -1 to the 5th times 0 times some determinant, which I'm not going to worry about because it's being multiplied by 0 anyway. Okay, so this term goes away, this term goes away because they're both 0. We only have to worry about these two guys. The first one, -1 cubed is -1 times 5 is -5. And this determinant is going to be 2 times 0 minus 3 minus 8 times 0 minus 12 plus 2, 3 minus 36 Okay, so that's the first term. Now I get -1 to the 4 is 1 times 1. So plus this determinant here. Now, it kind of makes sense to expand on column 4, or sorry, column 3. So I'm going to do that. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll go on. I'll stick with column 1 because I've been doing column 1 the whole time. So I've got plus 2 times 0 minus 0 minus 6 times 3 times 0 minus 12 plus 2 times 0 minus 28. So this is -5 times -6 plus 96 minus, so this is 33 is 66, plus, here's a 0, that's fine, that's positive 72, and this is negative 56. So let's add these guys up. 96 minus 66 minus another 6 is 24. So that's -5 times 24 plus 76 minus 56 is 16. 120 minus 16 is -104. Okay, so that's the determinant of a 4x4 matrix using the LaPlace method. And of course, we can reuse this type of procedure for any square matrix of any size.